We all have weeds growing in unwanted places in our gardens, especially in the pathways, around the borders, or in cracks between stones and bricks. Pulling them out with your hands is time-consuming, tiring, and sometimes not even effective, because the roots stay in the soil and the weeds come back quickly. That's why many people turn to weed killer sprays. But the problem with most of the weed killers you find in stores is that they are filled with harmful and toxic chemicals. These chemicals may kill the weeds fast, but they also harm the soil, useful insects, your vegetables, and sometimes even your pets or children if they come in contact with it. The good news is that you can make your own natural and organic weed killer at home using simple kitchen ingredients. It's safe to use if you apply it carefully, and it's very effective when sprayed on weeds that are growing in open areas like walkways or garden edges. In this video, we will show you how to make this spray step by step, and also talk about how it works and what to keep in mind when using it. To make this organic weed killer, you will need only 3 things: water, white vinegar, and salt. Start by taking about 2 liters of clean water in a large container or bucket. Now add around 300 milliliters of white vinegar. You can use regular white vinegar that you find in any grocery store. It's acidic, and that acid helps break down the weed's outer layers and causes it to dry up and die. Next, add about 200 grams of salt. You can use regular table salt. Once added, stir the mixture well with a spoon or stick until the salt fully dissolves in the water and vinegar. At the end, add 4 tablespoons of dishwasher soap so the mixture can stick better on weeds. The mixture is now ready. Pour it into a spray bottle or pump sprayer so that you can easily apply it where the weeds are growing. This spray works best on a sunny, dry day. That's because the sunlight helps speed up the drying effect of the vinegar and salt, and this burns the weeds faster. Spray directly on the leaves of the weeds. You don't need to soak the whole area. Just give each plant a good spray so the solution covers the top and sides of the leaves. Within a day or 2, you will start to see the weeds turning brown, drying out, and slowly dying. It's very important to remember one thing. Do not spray this on your good plants, vegetables, or flowers. This spray does not know the difference between a weed and a plant you want to keep. It will kill anything green that it touches. So be very careful when applying it. Only use it on areas where you are sure you don't want anything growing, like between garden tiles, along the driveway, or in cracks in concrete paths. You can also use cardboard or plastic to shield nearby plants while spraying if needed. The reason this mixture works so well is because each ingredient has a specific role. The vinegar damages the outer layer of the weed, making it lose water and nutrients. The salt goes into the soil and stops the plant from absorbing water, which leads to it drying up from the inside. The water helps spread the ingredients evenly and makes it easier to spray. This spray doesn't work as fast as some chemical weed killers, but it is a much safer option for people who want to protect their soil, pets, and useful garden insects. And if some of the weeds grow back again in a few weeks, you can simply spray them again. Since all the ingredients are natural and cheap, you can easily make more when needed without spending a lot of money. Just keep in mind that using too much salt in the same area over and over again can harm the soil in the long run. So avoid using it in your vegetable beds or flower beds. It's best used for paths, driveways, and hard-to-reach areas where you don't want anything growing at all. So that's how you can make your own simple, cheap, and organic weed killer at home. It's easy to prepare, works well, and saves you from using toxic sprays that could harm your garden and health. Try it out and see the results for yourself. And don't forget to check our channel for more gardening tips. homemade fertilizers, and organic sprays. If you found this helpful, please subscribe, share this video with your friends, and give it a thumbs up